Greetings, everyone. Here we go. Another beauty coming out of the barn. They're a lot prettier when they're not in a hoard pile. Get this baby out. First time in 25 years. Get her washed. Take her to Texas. Put her in my driveway down there. Going to be beautiful. Going to be beautiful. We're going to have rain tomorrow, Sunday, December 8th. And this one and that one can sit outside because they have roofs. And this one can sit outside. Roadster Willie's is going to stay inside. 24 C cab Model T is going to stay inside. And what else is out there? 26 Model T Roadster pickup can stay outside. There you go, folks. These have not seen the light of day in 25 years. Thank God this one has a Chevrolet small block so I can save it. One way or another. It's got Jeep running gear under it. By them hubs, those are 60s hubs. Willing to bet they're Sears hubs. There's so much junk in the way, it's unbelievable. Boy, is that a beauty though. Look at that. Small block Chevy. Yeehaw! God, that's beautiful. I'm getting aroused looking at it. So, people, let's go back here in the hoard pile. Because the old man's not mentally ill. And let's see what we can do here. I'll film a little bit for you. I'm tripping over crap. And let's see how far I can get back. Jeez, I'm tripping over more crap. Retard, when's he ever going to use a swimming pool? Anyway, let's get this out of here. Yeah. As always, I'm on my own. Story of my life. There was a time in my life when I had goofball friends that would do anything because we were teenagers. You get older, your friends, they don't work for free. Once again, I'm tripping over this garbage. Oh. Did I ever mention I hate hoarders? That's just hit her noggin, not worry about it. First move in 25 years. Geez, Uncle Rotten Bullet, you had a 25-foot Texas rollback truck. Oh, that's right, you did. You know, it's easy to get stuff running when you're not working in a freaking hard fast. Plus, it just ran over its chain. It's not going anywhere sitting on top of that chain. piece of garbage. Model A was the first car Ford ever had. Model A is actually a car. I don't know where we're going to go with this one. I might have to sit you guys down while I steer. Where's my beautiful Ford power steering when I need it? Oh, that's right, in the 1950s. There we go, one more time. And we're stuck. I think we're done because front differential stripped out on this tractor. My other Kubota and tranny is pretty well done. So, I think I'm going to put you guys on pause while I get another vehicle and figure this out. Okay, people, we're back in the dusty abyss. Second vehicle getting out. Roadster pickup is out of here. Once again, I'm all alone doing this. '24 Model T C cab coming out. Look at this stuff over here, people. Isn't it nice to actually see something? Look at that. You can actually see it. That one I'm keeping. That has windows. This is my hoarder father's best work ever. Ever. Look at that. He says, oh, that looks beautiful. That looks beautiful. People think I'm a retard. I don't understand it. They might be onto something. Anyway. 2 Model A's. 1913 Model T Roadster. Chevy V8, that baby. Chevy V8. 51 Willys Jeepster back there. I'm getting it, people. I'm getting it. I will soon have this shit out. We can finish cleaning the barn out. Most of these vehicles are going to my shop in Texas. So anyway, let's see how this goes. Ain't that a beauty? That really is a beauty. It overshadows my profanity. Okay, it really doesn't, but whatever. I cuss. That's where I am. So, wow, is that thing beautiful. Wow, is that thing beautiful. In the asylum escapee, aka my father's Ford pile, that thing did not look so good, but now it really looks good. We're getting this baby out of here. So, yeah, I don't know how many more we'll get out today. And by we, I mean me. Oh, maybe I can get that black truck out. Move that stove that's in front of it. You know, that Model A looks really accessible. I'll run the Kubota in here and, excuse me, get all the crap on this and pull the Model A out. I will catch you guys later.